Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce user access with permissions set step by step clearly. Log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type permission sets and select it from the drop-down list. Choose the permission set you wish to assign user access to. Click on the permission set name to open its details page. In the permission set details, locate the Manage Assignments button and click on it. Next, select the Add Assignments option. A list of users will appear. Use the search bar to find the specific user you want to authorize. Check the box next to the user's name. After selecting the user, click the Next button. Review your selection and then click the Assign button to confirm. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the user has been assigned the permission set. To verify the assignment, return to the permission set details page. Locate the Assigned Users section to see a list of users with the permission set. Repeat the process if you need to assign additional users. Once you have completed assigning users, log out of the Setup menu. Your users now have the access defined by the assigned permission set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.